Hello, you're welcome to Emadek TV. Emadek TV will bring you nothing but the very best of trending issues right here in Ghana. And if you want current trending issues where no one has ever touched, no one has ever discussed, no one has heard, just have to subscribe to Emadek TV on YouTube. You are the right place. It's your boy Francis. Let's get today's ball rolling. Today's trending issues is on UTAG on strike. UTAG simply means University Teachers Association of Ghana. UTAG. UTAG is on strike, and there was a release from UTAG on the 30th of July 2021 that on the 2nd of August 2021, all teachers in the various university campuses should withdraw their services because the agreement between UTAG and government has not been met. Their needs have not been met. This release was signed by the UTAG president, Professor Charles Mafu, and the UTAG president in interviews did state that 2012, there was an agreement between UTAG and the government as to the entry salary for all lecturers in the country should be equivalent to $2,000. At the beginning of 2020, the entry gross salary, which includes basic salary plus market premium of lecturers in the various public universities, was 997.84 US dollars, which is equivalent to 5,687 Ghana cedis right here, and for that is less than 1,500 US dollars per month. That was reached at the end of the roadmap in 2008 as they agreed with government. So they are calling all their teachers in the various campuses to withdraw their services from whatever responsibilities they are supposed to be undertaking in the various university campuses. NUX has also released a statement signed by NUX president Mr. Yadom Boache urging UTAG to call off the strike and get back to class to help with teaching and learning so they can have a successful academic year. This release also urged the government to meet UTAG at the point of their need so teaching and learning can be successful and the academic year can end successfully. We have universities like Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology who have to call off their end of semester examination, which was to kick off today, the 2nd of August 2021, but it has been postponed until further notice because of the current strike of UTAG on the various university campuses. You know, UTAG are those who are to invigilate the students in writing their exams. They are those who are supposed to take part in their marking and other stuff. But since UTAG is on strike and their services are still not in session on the various campuses, the school has thought it twice to postpone the examination of the students until further notice. National Labour Commission is also urging UTAG to call off the strike and get back to the agreement table. And they are saying that UTAG should call off the strike and come and meet the commission on Thursday, 5th of August 2021. So whatever issue that has not been resolved can be resolved. This was said by the National Labour Commission Executive Secretary, Mr. Ofosu Asamoah, asking UTAG to call off the strike and come back. And they're also stating that the agreement between National Labour Commission, the government, and UTAG was to kick off this August. And so they don't understand why UTAG should go on a strike in such a crucial moment, because the agreement they had was to kick off this August. So they're asking UTAG to call off the strike and get back to the agreement table, and they would like to meet them on the 5th of August, which is this Thursday, 2021. And not long ago, the Deputy Minister for Employment and Labour Relations, Mr. Bright Rekubobe, has also made a statement which I find a bit confusing, though. He stated that there will be a committee set to look into the current issues of UTAG so everything can be back to as it used to be. And I ask myself, why should the committee be set to look into the current strike issues of UTAG while MLC is also asking UTAG to come and meet the commission to settle any issue that has not been settled? That's where I find confusing, because if a commission is already working on resolving whatever agreement UTAG had with government that has not been completed, why should a new committee be set again to look into the issue? And well, we leave that for now. You can leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let's hear from you and let's know what you also think about this issue, because this is where we also find confusing. Maybe there might be more to the story than we are hearing for now. So here is the full story of UTAG on strike. If you hear UTAG on strike, basically this is what the whole issue is about. Keep watching Emadek TV. Emadek TV, we will still stand by and bring you all updates on the issues as to how far it has gotten to, if they have been able to resolve the issues between UTAG and government, and if UTAG will resume back the school to continue their good work they are doing, or the strike is going to continue until government meets them at the point of their need. Emadek TV, we are involving and we will involve the youth. Keep watching and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment, share this video so everyone can get to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment to support the family. Keep watching Emadek TV. Over and out.